Kamerua tari Kamerua chikadivide so mpaka hiyo LP ya Ruto na into no turavuto kava Jubilee cuts off for the people kato aso Jubilee is party Omogusii because gese for the people no here map manyinga manyanya cha no hari map into bono Omogusii we are not there by default etorega Vuna it is part of the party that was formed ekato togosieka for the people. So iko manyinga itonga yale akroja go sanzo la igabarusie for the people ime wana lito kunya kubange gazi nga pati gazi 2016 2017 intune secretary tine timu yonse pia go support moske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta as a patron ya itokurugusi yale nge matiang no yo minto moske Vuna Kenyo geto moske Susan Mochache moske Daniel Manduku Tongi were there and many others. They know the kind of work we did. We don't want to put it out there.
Okay.
I was at the center of Jubilee campaign 2017. Nyasaima. Some of them Birundu was in the center of this thing. We did. Some of these things you support and you don't go back to claim anything. Okay. You do your best, but we were in a camp where we had to win. So we had to fight to get into this thing. At least when I know what you merende town here, because kiba vegetenga bagwa kesuti, bagakerongeri, bagakerongwae, bagakerongera, bagakera kocha. Intuka igana intutu geakera. Se Jubilee to alenge. That is back forward.